If you've been wanting to start trading crypto but don't know where to begin, this video will walk you through one of the simplest first steps, creating your Binance account. I'll guide you through it clearly and quickly so you can get your account set up and ready in just a few minutes. Let's begin by heading over to Binance.com. Once you're on the homepage, click register. Here, enter the email address you want to use for your account, then hit next. Now check your inbox for a message from Binance. Open the email, copy the activation code, and paste it back into the registration page. After that, set your password. You'll also see a section for a referral ID. Once everything looks good, click done. Now, your account exists, but you still need to complete identity verification before you can fully use it. This takes around 7 minutes, and you'll need a government-issued ID, like a passport or ID card, and a proof of address, such as a bank statement or utility bill. Start by choosing your country and clicking continue. Binance will then offer you 2 ways to verify: on your computer or through the Binance app. The app is usually faster and more seamless, so I recommend using that. Just scan the QR code on your screen, download the Binance app, and log in. Once you're in the app, tap verify identity, select your country again, and continue. Enter your personal details exactly as they appear on your ID document. After that, you'll verify those details by choosing your ID type and taking a clear photo of it. Next, you'll complete a quick video verification. Simply click Start Call, show the same ID when asked, and follow the agent's instructions. When that's done, Binance will ask you to verify your phone number. Enter your number and confirm it with the code sent to you via text. You'll also be asked a few standard compliance questions. Just answer them truthfully and continue. Finally, you'll verify your address. Type in your address, hit continue, then upload a document that shows both your full name and full address clearly. Once all of that is submitted, your part is done. Binance will review your information and send you an email once everything is approved. After that, you'll have full access to trading, depositing, withdrawing, and to every feature Binance offers. And that's it. You've successfully created and verified your Binance account. If this tutorial helped you out, feel free to drop a like, share it with someone who needs it, and check out the description for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.